Are you struggling to stay on top of your busy work schedule? Do you feel like there are never enough hours in the day to get everything done? As someone who's been there, I know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, because I've discovered a game-changing technique that's helped me unlock my productivity and become more effective at work. And now I'm excited to share it with you. By watching and incorporating this technique into your work life, you too can maximize your time and achieve your goals like never before. Hi, if you're new here, my name is Akash and I'm a technology executive and a lifelong learner based in the USA. I have over 2 decades of experience in solving complex problems and creating value for the world. On this channel, we explore actionable tips and strategies to help us achieve our goals and reach our full potential. Gone are the days of frustration and overwhelm for me at work. The major unlock for me was figuring out how to spend my time between customers, partners, people, and product. Once I started allocating my time based on these categories, I was able to prioritize my tasks and focus on what was truly important. In this video, I'll share my time allocation techniques with you and show you how you can use them to take control of your workload and achieve your goals. So let's get started. Section 1, Customers. As a technology leader on the forefront of innovation, it's not just important for me to build things right, but to build the right thing. That's why spending time understanding the customer needs is a crucial part of my time allocation technique. By talking to customers and understanding their pain points, I can gain insights into the magnitude of the problems that they face and how I can help solve them. For example, when Uber was first started, they didn't just want to build out a better taxi service, they fundamentally changed the way people think about transportation. This was achieved through an extensive process of customer discovery, where the founders spoke to everyday people to understand their needs and frustrations with traditional taxi services. This approach allowed them to build a product that truly addresses their customer needs and revolutionize the industry. As an engineer, you would be spending up to 10% of your time talking to customers, but as a leader, you should be spending between 10 to 40% of your time talking to customers to ensure you're building the right thing. Section 2, Partner Team. In today's complex product landscape, no product can exist in isolation. There are always dependencies on partner teams, whether it's for APIs, data, or other services. That's why it's crucial to have close working relationships with your partner teams to address the inevitable challenges that will arise. For example, during my time at Electronic Arts, I worked closely with partner teams in the digital platform organization to ensure our game shipped on time and with high quality. This involved regular check-ins, joint testing, and troubleshooting of issues as they arose. By collaborating closely with our partners, we were able to identify and address potential issues early on, resulting in smoother launches and better products overall. As an engineer, you should be spending between 10 to 20% of your time on working with partner teams. And as a leader, you should also be spending between 10 to 20% of your time working with partner teams. Section 3, People. Regardless of whether you're in B2C, B2B, B2B2C, or any other variation of businesses, at the end of the day, we're all in the P2P or people-to-people business. As a technology leader, it's crucial for me to spend one-on-one time with my team, peers, partners, managers, execs, and so on, ensure we're all in alignment and helping everyone reach both their personal and professional goals. This is an allocation that I do not compromise on at all. You have to stay in touch with the people if you want to be an effective professional. By spending time with people, I can understand their challenges, brainstorm solutions, build relationships, and ultimately drive better outcomes for everyone involved. As an engineer, you should be spending 10% of your time connecting with people. And as a leader, you should be spending 20% of your time connecting with people. So that's roughly a day per week. Section 4, Product. As a technology executive, I spend a significant portion of my time on product. This includes spending time on both product management and engineering. Effective product management includes product management, program management, and project management. This means defining the product vision and strategy, creating a roadmap, and ensuring all the projects are executed on time and within budget. On the other hand, engineering involves feature development, live operations, and maintenance of existing features. This means ensuring that the product is stable, scalable, and that it meets the needs of our customers. This is the time you spend doing your design document, coding, testing, fixing bugs as an engineer. As a product manager, this is where you do a lot of your research to convert customer pain points into product requirements and test your hypothesis. This is where, as a project manager, you're tracking the progress of work and helping address existing and emergent risks. In terms of time allocation, I divide my time between strategic work and tactical work. Strategic planning is done every quarter, where we define the quarterly roadmap, milestones, and feature requests. This ensures that we remain focused on our goals and that we're always working towards delivering value to our customers. Tactical work involves working closely with engineering and product teams to ensure that all projects are executed on time and that they meet the agreed upon specifications. This involves regular check-ins, joint testing, and troubleshooting of issues as they arise. By spending time on product, I can ensure that our products are of the highest quality and they meet the needs of our customers. As an engineer, you would be spending roughly 70 to 80% of your time on product development. Whereas as a leader, you would be spending somewhere between 30 to 60% of your time, both split between strategic and tactical work. So, how do I track my allocation? The actual time allocation varies week over week and depending on the phase of the project. I like to track all my meetings and time slots in my calendar, and I color code them so that at a glance I can get an idea of where my time is being spent and if it's roughly in the right percentage range. Also, once every quarter, I review my calendar and make adjustments as necessary. A trick that I generally use is that whenever I have recurring meetings, they expire at the end of the quarter. So it forces me to reschedule them and, as a result, think if they're really needed and if there are any that I'm missing. Just allocating time is not sufficient. It is equally important to be able to beat distractions, stay focused, and manage your attention. In this video, I share 16 simple ways I use to beat distraction. If you're easily distracted or need more focus time to get work done, you should definitely check it out. Until next time, this is Akash Mandhar signing off.